Good afternoon. That's your last class of the day. Thank you so much for staying with me today. I know this new distance learning is completely insane, so definitely let me know if you have any issues with it. So, we do have a new student in the class today. My name is Mary. You can call me Mary. Um, you are in Earth Science right now, and since everybody's kind of in a different spot, which is what the ALC is all about, we're going to just kind of review what Earth science is. So, traditionally, Earth science is the study of geology, meteorology, and astronomy. So, geology is just studying the rocks on Earth. Meteorology is studying the atmosphere on Earth. And then astronomy is studying anything that is not geology or meteorology. Oceanography is sometimes thrown in there also when we talk about like the hydrosphere, the water that is on Earth. However, there's water in the rocks, there's water in the air, and there's water in space. So, for my purposes, I usually just include that with the other lessons. So far this year, we have talked about geology and astronomy, and so I figured for the rest of the year we could maybe look into weather and climate and the stuff that has to do with that. So, we're going to look at today's weather. If you go to a website called AccuWeather.com, I am not endorsing any one website or another. I just happen to have the app on my phone, so this is what I use. You type in your zip code. So I am teaching to you guys from Lucan, Minnesota. So I'm just going to click on Lucan. And if you scroll down, it tells you what your current weather is and what it's going to be today, tonight, tomorrow. And then it also shows radar, and you can kind of see that there's these little green dots over in Michigan and down in Nebraska. It just means that in those parts of the country it's raining right now. So let's look at the current weather for today. So it says that it's 52 degrees outside right now, which is pretty darn nice for March 30th. Like, we're very fortunate that we don't have snow right now. If you look at the rest of this, it says the UV index, which in Minnesota just in general is not an issue. The wind, it says SSE at 5 mph. That means it's coming out of the southeast direction at about 5 miles an hour. With gusts up to 7 miles an hour, that just means it's not windy. Humidity is 43%, dew point is 30. A lot of this stuff isn't really that important. The big thing is the temperature and then the real feel. So it's sunny out and the sky is clear. It's 52, but if you have the sun shining on you in I have a black shirt on, it would feel like it was 60 degrees. It would be really nice. Keep scrolling down. So it shows that tonight it's going to drop to about 30 degrees, which is freezing. So that's an important number for people. And then it says that the sunrise happened at 7 this morning, and the moonrise is going to happen at 10:30 this morning. It already happened. I'm facing the north out of my window, so I can't see the moon or the sun from my window. This gives you a little temperature history for March 30th. So average is around the 40s, and last year was in the mid 30s. So when I say that it's pretty warm, that's where I'm getting that information from. So that is AccuWeather. So what I want you to use this website for is for predicting your daily weather. So today it's nice, but tomorrow we want to know what the weather is going to be for tomorrow. And it says that it's going to be same temperature, mid 50s. not quite as sunny as today. And then it looks like there's going to be some rain tomorrow night. The reason that the weather is important for you every day is because this applies to your assignment for today. I would like you to go for a walk today. That's it. This is the view from my house this morning when I started doing my online learning, and it has only gotten more beautiful as the day has gone on. So it's finally the end of my e-learning day. I am going for a walk. I will see you guys tomorrow.